Welcome to our analysis of Solo App, an all-in-one project management tool designed for freelancers and small businesses. Solo App offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to manage your projects, track time, invoice clients, and much more. It is a comprehensive solution to help you stay organized and keep your business running smoothly. Solo app is packed with features to improve your productivity. It includes time tracking that allows you to record how much time you spend on each project. It also has a project management feature that lets you organize your tasks and deadlines. Solo app also offers invoice generation and financial tracking, so you can easily bill your clients and keep track of your earnings. Additionally, it provides a CRM feature to manage your client relationships effectively. Solo app offers a simple pricing model. You can start with a free trial to test out its features. After the trial, it costs $20 per month. This pricing includes all the features we've discussed, with no additional costs for extra users or projects. It's a cost-effective solution for freelancers and small businesses who need a comprehensive project management tool without breaking the bank. Solo app is ideal for freelancers and small businesses in any industry. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, consultant, or any other type of freelancer, Solo app can help you manage your projects and stay organized. Small businesses can also benefit from its features, especially those with remote teams. With Solo app, you can manage your tasks, track time, bill clients, and maintain client relationships all in one place. There are several advantages of using Solo app. It's an all-in-one solution, saving you from having to use multiple tools to manage your business. It's also user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Plus, it's cost-effective, offering a wide range of features at a reasonable price. With its time tracking and invoicing capabilities, Solo app can also help you to increase your productivity and earnings. While Solo app has many benefits, it also has some limitations. For instance, it lacks some advanced features found in more expensive project management tools. Also, while it's great for freelancers and small businesses, it might not be the best choice for larger organizations that need more complex functionalities. Finally, although its interface is user-friendly, it may take some time to get used to all of its features. In conclusion, Solo app is an excellent tool for freelancers and small businesses. It offers a wide range of features at an affordable price, making it a cost-effective solution for managing your projects, time, finances, and client relationships. While it does have some limitations, its benefits outweigh them for its target users. If you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for a comprehensive project management tool, Solo app is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our analysis of Solo app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more informative content soon.